Right now, it's very early. It's about 6:45 probably. Pretty cold. Got down to like 30 something last night, so should be a good day for fishing though, because we got the moon still out, got fog on the water. So yeah, let's get out on the water, fish Lake Sinclair. Alright, so we're in the boat. I think it's 12 feet, big enough for both of us. Just going around this cove, trying to catch some bass. And if we're catching other species, that's fine. I'm not gonna complain, but the target species today is bass. Catching them on a variety of things, including jigs, flipping creature baits, sinkos, jerkworms, and flukes. You did? Oh, nice. Nice, Soli. It's a little guy, but hey.
It's a fish.
Nice. On a jerkworm?
Yeah.
What color?
Merthiolate.
So, first bass of the day. Not exactly the biggest, but hey, we'll take it. Fish?
Yep.
Nice. Your second of the day, huh?
A little bit nicer.
It's about a pound. Maybe more. On the brush hog, huh? Is that your first fish on the brush hog?
Yeah.
Nice.
The baby brush hog. Oh, this thing has teeth. Kind of hurt. Yes.
It's a nice fish.
I didn't actually feel like I felt the bite and I was gonna wait, and then I saw my line moving.
That's cool.
Good day. Good day.
So stupid. Oh, that pontoon down there. Ocean's in the water.
Got one.
Good.
I don't know. This is so weird.
Oh, that's good.
It was swimming towards me the whole time.
That's a bad.
I keep upgrading, so that's good.
Yeah. Still have yet to catch one. The one I missed was good.
This guy's never been caught before. Super healthy fish.
Yeah. Good job.
Rich. Keep him down. Nice.
Hook's long enough. Oh, that's close to hooking to the eye. I'm glad I didn't. Hook came right out. That's a good, maybe a pound or so. But on this Strike King Rage Craw Texas rig, 16th ounce bullet weight. But just gonna let this guy go. Alright guys, so we're heading back in. The battery's getting low. We're just gonna head back to the house, plug it in. But today we caught 4 fish, ranging from like 3/4 of a pound to like 1.5 pounds probably. We caught them on jerkworms, Rage Craws, and baby brush hogs. 2 of which are by Zoom. The Rage Craw is by Strike King. But yeah, we're heading back to the house, and we'll see you when the battery is all charged up.
We charge up the battery, and we're gonna go back out, visit some of the places where we missed fish this morning, and then continue where we left off. Be back to you when we get to the spot. These people have been here recently, so they might not be under their dock. Because you can see how nicely mown their lawn is. Oh, that's a nice one.
Alright, that's a nice one on the trick worm. First fish on a trick worm. It's hooked well. Right on the top of the head there. There.
Yeah.
It's a nice, it's a pound and a half. It doesn't look that big, but it's super dense. I'll let that go. There you go. I thought it was a snag, honestly. That's my first fish on a trick worm.
Ever?
Yeah. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. We caught quite a few fish and we had a really good time making it. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.